What's going on, guys? Julian's Jumping Jeeps, and this is the introduction video for the Cherokee Chief. I traded a 1989 Jeep Wrangler YJ with a plow for this Jeep right here. I had to deliver it and pick this up, but it was well worth it. What's going on, guys? Julian's Jumping Jeeps. And today we're gonna go trade this, and I'm so happy that the guy flaked the other night. If you don't know what I'm referring to, go to my profile, and it's my second to last video. And now it's going to its new owner. I have to deliver it, but I think I'm winning in the trade. You guys can tell me first. Goodbye, plow Jeep. Hello, Cherokee Chief. This is the before. I know a lot of people like build series, and I've done my traditional videos as one full video, but this time I'm going to show you guys it before in a video. You guys can comment. Let me know as I go along the way and help me as I restore it. There is a few things that this Jeep needs, like it needs a severe wash and polish. I don't know about a polish, but it's definitely going to get a good shining. I'm not the best polisher. Wheels need to get changed. Get the correct center cap. Well, these actually are the correct center cap that I'm going to be putting, but the other side doesn't have. This one's got the mismatch back here. These are the 8 slots. There's also a 6 slot. I believe that's what I painted, but I will show you guys those. We're gonna have to address some paint chips over there, along with down here with the rockers. Factory floors, factory coating. So definitely worth it. Gonna have to adjust right here. I guess it peeled up. Gonna have to try my best to make that look and match that, but everything else looks real good on her. Quarter panels that typically rot out. It's got a sunroof, and the best part's the interior. I gotta sell some parts. I'll be right back. I believe this is what they would consider houndstooth pattern. Comment down below if I'm wrong. Headliner is sagging. It's gonna be the first one I've ever done with sunroof. All the sunroof pieces appear to be here, but I'm not even gonna attempt to open it because it's not leaking right now. So let's just be happy about that. It's a 5-speed manual, 4-cylinder, crank windows, ashtray in the back. It's an AMC, so it's got the seat belts on the side along with the AMC logo on everything. Stinks of rat pee. Wonder why. Go to that side, check it out. Some overspray on this door because they painted this door in the past because obviously I guess something happened to that door, but it doesn't look bad from 10 feet. Hatch is nice, original, command track. Maxton, or Maxon, you still exist? We've got your Jeep. Shocks kind of work. I don't think those are the originals. They might be though. Came with a center console lid, maroon though. We've got no center console lid. We've got a maroon column. Is that, or do they just fade to that color? Because that armrest kind of looks maroon, but red on the bottom. They might fade, but you would assume the dash would be all faded too then, right? But it's not. The radio we got. Old Craig. It does work. I'll fire her up in a second. I made a short about this, but anyone else ever noticed the older ones, this isn't plastic back here. This is all one piece. Traditionally they are plastic, like this one. They got plastic around the edges. So this is the first one I've ever gotten like that. I don't know what year they stopped doing that. Full-size spare cover. Dirty back here. Solid though. No rear speaker bar. I might add one in, I might not, depending on how good the speakers work. Or if there's even wiring, because the wiring that plugs in is probably different. Carpet on the older ones are just so much fluffier. I don't know what happened to all the original knobs, but they got replaced with like, these are like drawer knobs. They work though. No vent windows. Visors are good. Oh my god, the light works, or at least one side does. Spiders everywhere. So my plan for this Jeep is to make it look like it did in the original factory poster. I know a lot of people will argue with me that sunroofs did not come factory, but why would Jeep put the sunroof in the factory poster if they didn't? So I'm gonna restore this back to exactly the way it did in the poster. The only thing I might not do is the wheels, but I have a set of turbines, but they are severely corroded. I don't know. Again, something you guys can comment on below and tell me, but have plans to basically do these rims but black with the chrome center cap, with the chrome beauty rings. I've got a lot of projects like my gravel over here. This YJ needs a carb. This one over here needs brakes and maybe parts. This one's for parts. This one's getting a full paint job. This one is waiting for me to do the headliner in that one so that I know how to do the headliner in this one. This one has the burgundy inside. Didn't come with a headliner though. I've got the headliner out of that Wagoneer I just parted out. And it's got the visors in the right holes up there where they should be. This one's got the long visors. Some have the short visors. I'm dropping stuff. This is the two-door. Lots of projects. Let's see that four-cylinder. It's pre-86, so it's got the hook in the middle and the latch coming from down here. Look at that wiring. Mint. I know people call this the Iron Duke. Some people like to debate that. AMC. Let's fire her up. See what she sounds like. I've got both sets of keys. These factory. No, that one's definitely not. This one, I think that one is. Oh, that was a quiet startup. No RPMs, because it's got that dummy gauge over here. Our gas gauge should be here, and there should be an RPM gauge here, but I guess they didn't opt for that option. I believe the radio was working. Thought I heard it. I guess that's a different project. Awfully loud, right? Not loud up here. Where is it? Definitely gonna have to address that, but I've got a muffler sitting over there ready to go on, along with some other parts I've already started to collect. If you guys want to see this Jeep finished out along with some of those other projects, like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for more.